Are you looking forward to edit PDF on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily edit the PDF on iPhone. Start by moving into the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Microsoft Word. Well, you need to install this application on a device. Once installed, tap on Open. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, move into Files at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, click on Files app. Search for the PDF file that you want to edit, and then click on it. Once it has been uploaded here, now you need to click on this pen icon at the top of the screen. Now you will be able to edit the PDF file. You can remove the letters, sentence, and then re-enter it. Likewise, in the keyboard, you can see tons of different features or the option in order for you to change it. With all of this feature, you can bold the text, add bullets, change the font color, size, and also modify your files according to your need. So this is simply how you can edit PDF on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.